Hello student, today we are going to discuss about class 10 physics, electricity, 12th chapter, book back problem, solution we are going to discuss. Okay, actually MCQ, these are the 5 MCQ we are going to discuss. We'll start from one by one. First question, R resistance. Okay, they made it into the 5 pieces, then they are connected in the parallel. Now they asked what is the ratio between these two conditions. So the first question I'm going to do. Okay, what is given? They have one wire. What is the resistance of that? R. Okay, next time what they are doing? No, they made it as a 5 pieces. Okay, each one R by 5. Each one is R by 5 because they made it as a 5 pieces. R by 5, R by 5, R by 5, R by 5. Now this one they are connected in parallel. Okay, 5 pieces they are connected in parallel. Each one R by 5, R by 5. Everything R by 5. 5 pieces they connected in parallel. What is parallel formula? Resistance in parallel 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5. What is each? It is R by 5. Okay, each is R by 5. 1 by R by 5 plus 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 1 by R by 5. Why sir it is 1 by R by 5? Because each is it is R by 5. Okay. Now no. Denominator directly will come into the numerator. Okay. Now it is in a second condition. It is Rp is equal to 5 by R plus 5 by R plus 5 by R plus 5 by R. How many times? 5 times will have 5 by R. So, we will take it x. 5 times we have no. 5 times means 5x we will take it. Here, R by 5, 5 times. 5 times of R by 5 is there. Sorry, 5 by R. 5 times of 5 by R will be there. 5 into 5, 25 by R is equal to 1 by Rp. So, what is Rp? Flip the equation. Rp is equal to R by 25. Okay. Rp here they are taken R dash. Second condition, it is going to be R by 25. Okay, first condition, what is the resistance? R. They want ratio between this R by R dash. What is R? R only. R dash is R by 25. R get cancelled, denominator will come numerator 25. So, the ratio between these two, we have 25. Okay, I will show the question. So, first they are taken R resistance. Next they are taken 5 pieces, the same wire they made it as a 5 pieces, then they connected in a parallel. Now ratio between these two we can have 25. Okay, next question, which is not a power formula they are asked. Okay, first we need to know what is a power formula. Okay, then only we are able to find this answer. Power formula, no, first before learning that energy formula you should know. Voltage is equal to work done by charge. Charge you will take this side, work done is equal to volt into charge. Okay, here work done we can call energy. Energy is equal to volt into charge. Current is equal to charge by time. So, time take this side, charge is equal to current into time. So, current charge we can write current into time. VIT, it is a energy formula. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. IR into IT. So, we will get I square RT. I square RT. According to Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. This you can substitute here. We'll get V square by R square into RT. R square get cancelled. Okay, finally I will write what is the energy formula. Energy formula VIT I square RT V square by R into T. It is energy formula. If you want power formula, power is equal to energy by time. Remove all the times, you will get power formula. VI I square R V square by R. So now we have to find which is the answer. Okay. So they asked which is not a power formula in this. Which is I square R is power formula. VI power formula. V square by R is power formula. Only I square R is not a power formula. Okay. Option B is a correct answer. Now we are going with the third question. Okay. Third question. Question number 3. Okay. What is given? No. The voltage is 220 volt. Okay, power is 100 watt. Okay, which is given on the device. Actually, in the day they are connecting only 110 volt. Okay, now what is a new power is a question mark. Okay, I will repeat again. The device is marked with this one, okay, 220 volt, 110 watt. Okay, it is voltage, it is power, but that day they are connecting only the voltage off of the required voltage, only off of the required voltage they applied. Okay, now what is the power? Okay, in this problem, the first thing we have to find the resistance. Why is the resistance? The device resistance will be remain same only. That is the reason we are finding the resistance. Okay, power is equal to one of the formula V square by R. I am taken V square by R. Okay, power formula V square by R, one of the formula I am taken because I want R. R is equal to V square by P. V is 220. 220 whole square divided by power is 100. 220 into 220 divided by 100. 0 0 get cancelled. 22 into 22 4 8 4. Otherwise you can keep 22 into 21 only because easy to do the problem. Now I want what is the new power. Okay, new power is equal to V square by R. Okay, same formula. V is now how much? It's a new condition. Okay, this only it's a required condition. Actually here we are not applied required condition. If you applied required condition, no, maximum power will be there. Okay, now it's not going to be maximum power. They are asking what is the power now. Okay, V is how much? V is now 110 volt. Okay, they applied with 110 volt. Now R is how much? 22 into 22. That's called 484 ohms. Okay, 11 table, this is 2. 11 table, this is 2. Okay, again 10 by 2 5. Again 10 by 2 5. Okay, so answer will be 25 power unit watt. Okay, now the third answer 25 watt as answer. Each and every MCQ have the lot of explanation, especially book back. Okay, sometimes this kind of problem they will ask in 2 mark also. Okay, or 3 marks. The answer will be 25 watt for the third answer. Okay, now I am going to do with the fourth one. Okay, question number 4. No, actually they asked about 2 different situations. I will find both is separately, then we'll find the ratio. Okay, the first situation in series. Okay, 2 resistance in series or 2 resistance in series. What is total resistance in series? R total is equal to R plus R. 2R will get. Okay, it is called R total in series. Okay, the second condition, 2 resistance in parallel. What we can write? It's a parallel. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. That's called 1 by R plus R. Identical resistance. Okay, 2 by R. 2 by R. 1 by Rp. So flip the equation. Rp is equal to R by 2. Here it is a parallel. It is in a series 2 by R. Okay. Now what is the heat energy here? No. Here they said both the condition voltage remains same, volt remains same, voltage constant. Okay, same voltage only they are applying. When they are applying constant voltage, no. Energy formula we have 4 formulas. Okay, VIT, I square RT, V square by R into T. Okay, when this kind of situation you got, when current is constant, take this formula. Voltage is constant, take this formula. I am going to take this formula. Okay. So for energy 1, V square divided by RT. According to this, resistance in series, energy 2, V square by R into T. This is parallel. Okay, now we will find the answer. So energy 1, what I will get? V square by 2R because in series into T. Energy 2, V square by it is going to be a parallel R by 2. Okay, R by 2. R by 2 into T. Okay. Now no. V square T get cancelled. Okay. Then we'll focus only denominator. First we'll do the denominator solution. Denominator, this alone you will see. Okay. R by 2. Denominator directly will go numerator here. Okay, so you have to solve first with the like this kind of confusion you have to reduce. Okay, 2 V square divided by R. Okay, TT get cancelled. This 2 I am taken this side because when I got numerator, denominator, again denominator directly will come numerator. Okay, so now no, v square get cancel, denominator again will go numerator, so 1 into r divided by it's 2r into 2. Okay, just modification I did. 2 to 4, 1 by 4, r get cancel, get cancel. The ratio will be 1:4 ratio. Okay, the fourth problem we completed, the answer will be 1:4. Okay, so we'll see where its answer is given. Okay, the option is C. Okay, 1:4. Okay, next one, question number 5. How is the voltmeter is connected in a circuit? Okay, it's a very very simple question. Voltmeter is connected in a circuiting in parallel. Example, like the simple circuit I will draw. Okay, one resistance is there, one battery is there. Okay, one battery, one key is there. Then this is circuit will have. Okay, if you want to measure the current, no current you should connect here. That is going to be called as a series. If you want to measure voltage, voltmeter you have to connect with the parallel. So voltmeter we should connect with the parallel, then only we'll get us the how much voltage is there. Okay.